Day 53. The rain came on last night, and it came on hard with the winds. I was woken up quite a few times in fear that the wind might take my tent away. But it was shored up pretty good. I did a good job tying it to the trees and staking it down. It's been raining all night, and now it's raining this morning, and the tent has held firm. Where the tent is positioned, there's cover from the wind to a certain extent, but the winds had battered the walls, but to no avail. The tent stood firm, and I slept peacefully. I am grateful for this shelter.